cool bird. We're walking up to it right now. Birdie!
Don't talk to it, Remy.
Bye.
That's the bird that brought you to us, Remy.
Look at that. Look at that. Guys, we're up close. Whoa! Taking off and it landed. Oh, guys, look at these ones. We're hopping up to these ducks up here. These ones will come up to us. Guys, let's hurry up over there. Well, that's a big duck. Whole bunch of them all, just a tiny little duck. Yo, guys, look at that. Yo! Look at that. Come here. Look at that beauty. Oh, that's cool, guys. Yo, is that a croc? I don't know. Maybe not. Guys, that is sick.
There's a fish. Nice. You're going to take that fish.
What is that? Do you guys hear that? What is that noise? What? Oh, guys, I see it. I could see it. It's somewhere in there. Oh, you see that? Sebastian, there it is. That's cool, guys. Stay tuned for more cool videos. Peace.